This is the story of a time long ago, a time of myth and legend, when the ancient gods were petty and cruel, and they plagued mankind with suffering. Only one man dared to challenge their power, Hercules.
Hi everyone, this is Pam, and today I wanted to talk about Hercules, our Pyrenees dog that we got 2 days ago. If you're not familiar with the breed, it's a guardian for livestock, which right now we own chickens, goats, and ducks. Hopefully later down the road we'll be able to acquire some other animals, but for right now that's what we have. I want to say about a year to 2 years ago we learned about this breed while doing research on different predators and what other people do regarding predators. This dog often came up, and we weren't sure if we were going to get one or not. We don't have a fenced in backyard, but we do live on an acre that's backed up to a forest. And ended up, Jacob went to work one day, and lo and behold, somebody was actually had a Pyrenees dog that was pregnant and would have puppies in a few months. So we went ahead and got onto the waiting list. We figured we could get them now and get them trained and get them used to all the animals that we have, and then later on, if we move to another property, at least he'll be trained, and we could trust him around the animals. Right now he is 8 weeks, and I just kind of wanted to show what we were planning to do for him, where he was going to stay at. We decided to make his pen, attach it to our goat pen, which right over here you can see there's ducks in there and chickens. This is actually BB-8 and Yoshi's pen. Those are our 2 male goats, and that pen that's straight ahead, that's actually the female's pen, Ava and Hazelnut. And we decided to take this area right here, which it actually was where we kept our hay at, but the roof had collapsed, and the hay got drenched with water and it didn't dry out very well. So we decided just to take the hay out and make this Hercules area. We figured it gets a lot of shade back over here, as you can see, and we're going to enclose it in, make him a little dog house and make him like a little area. But also we decided that we'll put him nearer to the forest. We do have a ramp right there into the little forest, and that's where a lot of the predators like to come from, which we've been having a lot of foxes, raccoons, and coyotes, which we haven't seen any coyotes, but we have heard them. So I don't know if the goats are kind of making them come closer to the edge of the forest, or what. We just got the goats last year, so we're still kind of new with them, but we haven't seen any. We've also had problems with stray dogs coming into our yard, and then we've had hound dogs that have the tracking collar on for the hunting, and they have actually come onto our property and have killed chickens. So we've decided to go ahead and purchase a Pyrenees dog, and hopefully we'll be able to reduce those threats and not lose any more chickens. So we've been trying to introduce him to our chickens. Right now he is taking a nap, and as you can see, we have Lemon Squeeze right over here in the corner. She's a chicken that we keep inside for right now. If you want to see some videos on her, you can check out some of the other videos that we have. Right now we're keeping Hercules inside, and he's getting used to lemon squeeze and see some of the other chickens when we bring them outside to use the bathroom. We'll also walk him around the property to let him see all the other animals, see the other chickens, the goats, and the ducks, so he'll get used to them all. And also, since our yard is not fenced in, we plan to use a wireless fence for him. I think the one that we have is made by Pet Safe, so we're gonna have it hooked up in the back of the yard so he can have access to the edge of the forest and the backyard. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you have a Pyrenees dog and have any type of suggestions, please comment below. I would love to read them. And we'll see y'all later. Bye.